Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you definite article. The. The is the only definite article. So let's start. The. The is used to define a particular person or thing. Okay, so now where do we use the? The is used to define a particular person like the doctor, the teacher, the policeman, the watchman, or a thing. Okay, like the pen, the pencil, the duck. No, not the duck, the stuffed toy, or something like this. Now, for example, the pen is lying on the ground. Okay, so now let's see the difference between these two sentences. A boy came to our house. The boy came to meet my sister. Okay, so now in this sentence, is just telling that it's not particular. Okay, it is not particular. Like a boy. Boy can be any boy. Okay, so it is not telling a particular boy who came to our house. Okay, then the boy came to meet my sister. Okay, so now this is telling that particular boy came to meet my sister. Okay, I hope you understood this difference. So now let's see where do we use the. Where do we use the? Names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, etc. So first is rivers like the Kaveri, the Brahmaputra. Okay, like seas, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Then we have oceans like the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Then we have mountain ranges like the Himalayas or the Alps, etc. Okay. Now the second one is the monuments of well-known buildings like the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. Okay, so these are monuments and these are all well-known buildings. So now let's move on to the next one. Holy books and newspapers like the Indian Times, okay, or the Economic Times like this, and holy books like the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata, etc. Then trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. Okay, like the Rajdhani Express or the Titanic. Okay, so now these are all names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. Okay, like the Air India. Okay, then we have countries. Name contains a common noun. Okay, so like the USA, the UK. Okay, so now in this, the USA, the full form is United States of America. So now states is a common noun. So that is why we use the with it. Otherwise, like the Beijing, the China, the India, we do not use the with, the country names which do not have a common noun. So, like the UK, that means the United Kingdom. Now, kingdom is a common noun. Kingdom can be any kingdom. Now, with superlative degree of the adjective. This is a type of adjective. Soon I will bring a video on what the degrees of adjectives. So you're going to understand it more better. But like I'm going to give you some examples like the best student, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, prettiest, like these. Phrases like the next, the last, or the only. Okay, like they arrived at the last moment. And the second sentence is the next day was a holiday. Okay, so it also comes with phrases like the next, the last, etc. So I hope you have understood articles, definite article very well. So I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.